Hello, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to speed up and clean up your windows. So, first of all, we have to press Win key and type these three commands one by one. So let's start. Win key plus R. Type resend. Enter. Select all. Shift delete. Second command is percentage temp percentage enter. Select all, shift delete. Okay, the third one is prefetch. Enter. Continue. Select all, shift delete. The fourth one is CCleaner. Download the CCleaner software and use this easy clean. You see junk files in here. Clean all. The second option is custom clean. Analyze. Run cleaner. You also can tick mark anything you want to clean from here and from here. The third option is for programs that using the RAM. So you can also make some of this to put it in sleep. Or the fourth option is for drivers update. The fifth option is for registry cleanup. If there is an issue in your registry, so you can use this option. The sixth option is for programs that you want to uninstall if you don't want that softwares. So you can easily use these commands. So it was the CCleaner. So let's go to this cleanup. Simply open my computer, right click on C drive, properties, this cleanup. here we have this cleanup. So simply press this. So this was the process of cleaning your windows. So hope you guys use these commands and software to clean up your windows. If you like my video, please subscribe to our channel and learn more about these kinds of videos.